Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from mycraftyplans. Today I am coming at you with my sticker kit lineup for my memory planner for the month of May. I'm really excited to share this with you. This is, of course, my Estelle A5 wide cloud planner, the same one I have been using for this whole year, and I do still have my press inserts in here. I absolutely love these inserts. This is my second year in a row using them, and I do not see them going anywhere anytime soon. So I'm really excited to share my kits picked out for the month of May with you. We've got some occasion weeks, 2 occasion weeks, if you can spot a little spy on my kits, and then 2 lovely spring kits that I'm super excited about. So I am gonna just jump right in. So the first week in May is actually Mother's Day, so definitely occasion week here. I have 3 wonderful kiddos who are ages 6, 4, and 2, so we definitely try to celebrate Mother's Day a little bit for myself, but also, you know, for my mom, my mother-in-law, all the moms in my life. We just have a fun time. Usually we do like some kind of brunch or something like that, and then also, you know, I try and sneak in a little bit of alone time. If not on that Sunday, then, you know, around there, maybe a massage or some kind of spa day, something wonderful for that. I did not actually buy a Mother's Day kit this year because I bought so many spring kits, and I am carrying over way more spring kits than I had intended to. I just got really caught up in buying the gorgeous floral kits this year, and I ended up buying more than I needed, which is okay. It's not great, but it's okay. And then I didn't see anything that I absolutely loved that was new for Mother's Day. I wanted something a little bit more scene style, which I really like for an occasion week. So I decided to reach back into my stash and pull something out, and you know what? This brunch kit just gives me all the Mother's Day vibes, and it's very springy, so I thought this was absolutely perfect. So this kit is called Mimosas. It is from Press. I believe that this is an essential size kit, but it actually looks like it might be a mini kit. I'm not 100% sure. We will take a look here. This is super old. I think last year, maybe even the year before, and it's got this like really amazing double box scene, and it says brunch so hard, mimosa wanna find me. I just really think this is very cute. So it's definitely some Mother's Day vibes. I will pair it with some foils, make it a little bit extra special. It's got some gold and silver accents in here. I think I'll probably use gold foil, though actually silver would look really nice with this too. I don't know, we will see. So like I said, I'm not 100% sure what size kit this is, but we do have this page right here, which has got a bunch of boxes. This is probably an old format. I actually haven't shopped from Press in a little while. I just randomly haven't, so I'm not sure if she's done any kit formats or anything like that since then, but you have this box as well with like some more half and third and quarter size boxes. You do get a full set of glitter headers, some of the layering squares, some patterned washi and plain washi, and then all of your sidebar stuff over here. And then the bottom washi page here, and then this page with the deco and the flag. So that is a 7-page kit. So I think that this is the essential size kit, which is usually what I buy. So I just checked on her website. She still does offer the 4-size kit, starting with the mini and ending with the ultimate kit. And the essential size kit is the 7-page kit that is like 1 larger than the mini kit, basically. So that is what I have of this. You get tons and tons of functional stuff. It's really super usable. I think this looks really cute, and I cannot wait to use this for the week of Mother's Day. Then next up for the week after that, which is the week of May 9th, I will be using this kit called Golden Hour from JK Creates Co. I thought this was so gorgeous. I got this in a PR order. This was the very last spring kit that I got. I was already so over, but then I saw this and I was just like, no, I'm gonna need this. We're gonna have to shuffle some things around. Like I said, I just bought a lot of spring kits this year. But so this is in the older kit format. So she has done a kit reformat since this one, but this is 5 pages. Now her kits are on 4 pages. I do PR for her shop, like I mentioned, so you can use my code Lindsay15 to save from her shop, and I do have a freebie, which I will try and put a picture of as well. It is on transparent matte paper, and it is foiled, and you can pick that up by putting my name in the notes to seller. So here are the absolutely gorgeous full boxes. It's got some butterflies, it's got some bees, it's got some flowers, and it's just very pretty. I love like the watercolor vibes in the background. This color palette is just so, so gorgeous. And it is in gold foil. And I can't wait to use this and use up like probably the last of my spring goodies with this one. After this, we are gonna we've got some occasions and some beach things coming up. So this might be one of my last like true spring kits, or that I'm gonna call like solidly spring rather than like spring summer transition, which I do have coming up in the month of June. So here are your headers, sidebar stuff, date covers, your functional page, which is the unfoiled page of the kit. Of course, now this is in a different format. If you check out her website, she has reduced it down to 4-page, but you still get tons and tons of functional items. This one has 1/8 size stuff, which is like little thing size, and she did include some of those on the kit reformat, which I'm really glad about. And then you have your squares and 1/3, 1/4, and 1/2 size boxes, split bottom washi, and some patterned washi, and then this extra page which has some deco and some other layering items, some icons, etc. And yeah, and then I do have a floral add-on for that. Of course, Jana included some extras of that in my order so that I can make this very, very floral for you all. So that is really exciting, and that's what I'll be using the week of May 9th. So then next up for the week of May 16th is another occasion week. I actually have a work trip, and this is my first work trip in a super, super long time. First one since my last baby was born, first one since the pandemic. I don't travel for work very often, and I haven't since any of my kids were been born, but this is my first one in a really long time, and I'm very excited about it. It's just a short trip back to Texas. I'm speaking at a conference, and I'm also gonna get to see some friends and hang out for a couple of days. I am really, really excited. So I decided to use this February 2022 mystery kit from Scribble Prints Co. I recently got this I bought one of the Ultimate Kit, like random grab bag de-stash boxes, which came with 4 Ultimate Kits and a bunch of other stuff from the mystery. And this was one of the ones that I got. So my reasoning for this is I do have a lot of work, like busy work week type anytime kits, but they're all very much work from home vibes. And I wanted something that was like a little bit more on the go for this week. So I was maybe going to use a travel kit, but I just ultimately decided to go with this. I think the clothing in this kit looks very professional, and I love like the little shops on the street. It just feels like a very on-the-go type kit to me, and it's new, and I really wanted to use it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this. It is the February 2022 mystery kit. It is the Ultimate Kit, including the mystery bundles. Like I said, I got this in a de-stash box. I do not subscribe to this, but it is super, super cute, and I really love this, and I can't wait to use it. So here are the full boxes, and then you do get a tall box in the Ultimate Kit, in the Ultimate Mystery Kits on this page. Tons of functional items. There's so much in here because it is the full mystery kit, you know, with all the add-ons. I do have the foil bundle that came with this, but I don't think I'm going to use it. I think I'm going to save that for a different week. You have like all of this cute shopping deco. Maybe I'll do some shopping while I'm away. We shall see. Glitter headers, a bunch of different stuff, movie marquees, all your rounded pages, I like to think of it, your plain square page and your pattern square page. That is what I call these pages. In my head, I'm sure they're not called that, but you get so many functional items with the Scribble Prints Co. Ultimate Kits. It's like more than you could possibly use. I love that box looking down at her feet, and this bottom washi is so, so pretty as well. The pattern on the date covers, and then these are the pages that are exclusive to the mystery kit. So you have like this extra page here, which has got some more functional stuff, including like an extra color if you want to bring in another color to it, and then 2 extra full boxes. And then you have this page, which has a set of bottom washi that's like a plain one, and then some extra boxes, and then some alternate skin tones and another extra box. So tons and tons of stuff there, and that is what I will be using for the week of my work trip. Then for the last full week in May, which is the week of May 23rd, which is also Memorial Day weekend. So Memorial Day is on Monday, so that's technically in the next week, and that will be in my June kit lineup because I could not think that far ahead yet. But the last week in May, or the weekend of Memorial Day weekend, which I just feel like that's such a mental trip because I always think of Memorial Day and Labor Day as like a full weekend of holidays when in actuality the holiday is on the Monday. So that really threw me off while I was trying to pick kits, but I'm gonna be going with this kit from Miss Meow, which is called Blooming City. I love this. I think it is so, so gorgeous. It's like perfect early summer, late spring vibes. And also Memorial Day weekend for me is the kickoff of summer. It's the kickoff of beach season. We go to the shore most weekends during the summer, and we will definitely be there this weekend, you know, getting all settled into the house and everything. And one of the beaches by us does have a Ferris wheel. So whenever I see like Ferris wheel arts for summer, I'm always just like all in. We go to Ocean City a lot over the summer. It's super close to where my parents have a beach house. So yeah, so that is why I picked this kit for this weekend. I will probably use like a full-on beach kit for the week after that, and then in June kind of switch back and forth between spring and summer while we are settling into our summer, waiting for school to end, all of that good stuff. But in the meantime, this is the kit for the last week in May. It's called Blooming City, if I didn't already say that, and these are the absolutely gorgeous full boxes. It is in gold foil, and then it is a 4-page mini kit, so you have all of these adorable icons. I absolutely love these. I just picked up some of the ones that she sells a la carte in the PBC sale weekend, so I can't wait to get those as well. And then you have your date covers, your headers, a bunch of different stuff. Here is your functional page. You've got a combination of like midi, square, and regular size boxes, third and quarter boxes as well. The half boxes were on this page. And then you also have your bottom washi. Love that like rainbow ombre vibes and the floral there, and all of your sidebar stuff as well. So then in addition to the kit, I do have the floral add-on for this, but I also have the sidebar sticker that is from the monthly kit that matched this. So this was available as a weekly collection and a monthly collection, and I just messaged Regina about the sidebar sticker for the monthly one, and she just threw this into my order for free, which was so, so sweet. I really want to use this like in the spread. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I just am really obsessed with this Ferris wheel, and I just wanted this really badly. So I'm going to be using this. Maybe I'll even like sneak it in with like some of those fold over boxes. I don't know. We'll get experimental with it. We shall see. I just really, really, really love this and was hoping to bring it into the spread. So I have that as an option now. So that is the kit from Miss and Meow, and that is the last week in May. So that is my whole May lineup, all of the kits I plan to use, and that is everything for this video. So if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planner, and let me know in the comments down below if you are using any of these kits this month or a kit that you were really excited about using in the month of May, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye!